2004 F250 Super Duty. Buffing it right now. Actually coming out pretty nice. This is a 6.0. Bought it as a project truck. Unfortunately, I can't finish it because I got a lot of other projects. I got that BMW to finish. I got that pickup truck to finish. I got that car to finish. The one in the garage to finish. Too many projects. So this one has to go. So cleaning it up. It's got the 6.0 KC Turbo Whistler 10 blade. Really loud, nice. Put some LEDs in it. Fixing it up. Buffing it. I was gonna do interior swap. I got everything, but I don't have the time. I just don't have the time. Got this side to do. This looks like the paint is so dull. Paint is so dull. Needs a bed. Got some fuel stiction going on. It sounds mean as hell. I'm gonna try to start it. Got some injector stiction going on. Dual straight pipe, 6 inch all the way back. Sounds crazy.